In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Format Painter. Format Painter is a very useful tool, and what it does is it allows us to design some type of element, add some styling to it, and then copy that to other images, or also the text. So this is going to be really helpful for you when you're looking at the repetition design principle. So let's get started. So first what we're going to do is we've added some pictures here, and let's add a border to it. And let's change that border color and make it pink. So yes, I very easily could then go and replicate those steps. But that would be kind of tedious because I want this exact color and style to appear on this image, these two images, and also this one. So the most efficient way to do that is to click on the image, click on the Home tab, and click on this Paintbrush Format Painter. We're going to double click, and we move over, we see that there's now a paintbrush next to the cursor. All we need to do is click on the image, and you see that we've now copied that design. So that's going to be a very helpful tool for you, not only for this assignment, but also as you develop things in your e-learning module for your individual and your team project. Another thing that you can do is once you click on Escape, you see the cursor's back and you can click where you want. You could decide that you want to do some styling on text. You will repeat the same process. So we're going to make this blue and italics. Again, we double click on the Format Painter and we go and select the text that we want to apply this to, and you click Escape, and you see that you now have the same style copied across the slides. So for your design project, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to do some design elements for the image, and you're going to need to apply that to multiple different images.